Today, I'll show you how to do your ZB.com crypto taxes. Hello, my name is Nelly. Welcome back to another wallet integration video. Today we're talking about ZB and specifically how to do your crypto taxes with the help of Koinly. So I'll tell you a little bit about ZB, then I'll jump into the integration, and then lastly I will show you where to get the necessary tax documentation. And as always, if you have questions, I'm going to leave a bunch of different resources. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So ZB is based out of Zurich, Switzerland, and was founded all the way in 2012, which is really old in terms of crypto years. It is currently a top 50 exchange by trading volume. They have a ridiculous feature set from spot trading to margin trading to derivatives, trading bots, staking, and almost anything else you can think of. So for a lot of experienced users, they probably love this platform. It might not be beginner friendly, but a lot of cool features, and no wonder they're currently a top 50 exchange. So first step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can make one completely free. And once you're set up, go into the wallets area, click on add wallet, type in ZB, and ZB.com is what we're interested in. So the setup autosync currently in beta. We do not have functional API for this yet. Once we do, obviously we'll update you guys, but for now you're going to use the import from file method. So I'll show you where to get the necessary CSV files from ZB.com. So on ZB.com, log into your account, hover over the funds area and click on history. Now there's a few different CSVs that you might have to download. For most users, you're mostly interested in the spot account and the spot CSV. So if that's all you're doing, spot trading, this is the only CSV that's for you. If you're doing other features, other things on the platform, then you will need other different files. So there's a few other options for this isolated tab. There's also an export option. There is a export option for the cross tab, the lending account, and the future record. So if you're doing any other trades, any types of transactions that are not covered under spot trade, make sure to download the necessary files for those. For me, I'm just going to download the spot account option. So click on export and then take that file and drag and drop it into Koinly. And there you have it. So once again, if you're doing any other kind of trading, you might have to download additional CSV files. For most users, this file will be enough. But yeah, make sure to import all your files that you need. So that's extremely easy. Once that data is imported, you can head over into the transactions area and see your crypto activity throughout the year to make sure all your transactions are looking good. Once you're happy with everything there, head over into the tax reports area, and here is where you get a summary of all your crypto activity. So your transactions, deposits, withdrawals, capital gains, income, costs and expenses, and anything else you might need to kind of see where your crypto taxes are going to end up. And once you're happy with everything there, you can scroll on down and pick a tax report that's appropriate for your needs. We have plenty of different tax reports. If you are from Switzerland, because this is a Swiss exchange, you might not be. We have the FTA valuation report. We have other reports for the US. We have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax, both online and desktop versions, and I've made videos for those. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Australia, and then lastly, for Canada, Germany, and other countries, we have the complete tax report, which, keep in mind, is a document you can print off and give directly to an accountant so they can combine it with your other tax documentation. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this report might be deductible. But that brings us to the end of this wallet integration video. I'm going to leave a bunch of different resources down below if you need further assistance. So we have, firstly, the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles if you'd like to learn more. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. We have a forum section where you can talk to members of our community as well as our staff. And then lastly, we have a contact section where you can send us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. But if you found this video helpful in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.